sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky.
Ew.
Okay, what do we have here today, Olivia? Nickelodeon slime. Okay, let's see what it comes with.
What to do?
Okay, we have a bowl, some little tiny containers. It came with the Cra-Z-Art School Glue. We have 3 different colors here. Olivia, what colors are these? What color is this? What color is this one? Pink. Okay, so we have directions for making slime right here. So today we're going to be making our own slime. Yeah. The directions say to protect your surface with paper towels or newspaper before you start. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Cover up the table. We have all of our supplies here. So here's our measuring cup. We're going to pour our glue into... Okay, so now we have 10 milliliters. It's not a whole lot of glue. And pour it into a bowl. Okay, so the directions say you need 2 bowls, so we're going to go ahead and use this bowl. What color is this bowl, Olivia? Yeah, orange. Okay, so we're going to pour our glue into the bowl. Glue. Let me get an extra spoon. So to scrape the sides, get as much as you can. So now we have our glue in our bowl. So now it says measure 30 milliliters of water and pour it into the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I have my water, and I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Measure 3 level spoonfuls of cinnamon colorant and add it into the bowl. You make pink?
Oh yeah!
Okay. Yeah, we're going to put pink in there. Okay, can I have the spoon? Is this so cool? So we're going to take 3 spoonfuls and put it into our bowl. And sort of color that we want. We're going to make pink slime. Okay, that should be enough for our pink slime. Turn it on. Job. Okay, in a second bowl we need to mix 2 of the slime making powder. So in this little container here.
Oh yeah. Do you see that?
Into a second bowl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna rinse off my spoon. 1. Can we say 2? 2. 1, 2. Okay, so there's 2 of those, and then we need to take 10 milliliters of hot water. So you might want to have your parents help you with this part. Okay, so I I have my 10 milliliters of hot water, and I'm gonna pour it into my bowl.
Oh yeah.
And we need to stir it now. Stir yours. And I'll stir mine. Once the powder is completely gone, which it is, I'm gonna pour this into here. So now we're gonna stir until it becomes thicker. What is that? What is that? Okay, while she's playing with that, I'm gonna make some blue slime. Wanna make blue slime now?
Yeah.
We now have our slime, our pink slime. Is it slimy?
No.
No. You want to make blue slime?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. We'll put this to the side. We made our pink slime. Now we need to take 10 milliliters of our glue again. Here's our glue. We're gonna pour it.
Yeah.
We're just gonna use these little containers it came with. And we're gonna use. Okay. Now we have our glue in our container. Now we need 30 milliliters of hot water again. So let me go get that. No, you don't eat that. You are right.
Me too.
Now we have our water and glue mixture. We're gonna just stir that up. Wanna help me? We're gonna take our blue. We're gonna put 3 spoonfuls in here. So you can start stirring it up. Okay. Now in the second bowl in this bowl we're gonna put our slime powder again while Olivia is stirring. Keep stirring. For this part we need 2 spoonfuls of our slime making powder. We have 1 and we have 2. So there's that. And we also need to mix this with 10 milliliters of hot water. Now we need to stir this bowl mixture up. So I'll stir this while you stir the blue. Okay, so now we're going to take the 2 bowls and we're going to mix them together. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And it's going to get thicker and thicker. Okay. So now we have blue slime. Olivia, say yay! The blue didn't turn out as good as our pink did. Okay, keep stirring. Oh my goodness, you're messy. Okay, ma'am. out a piece now.
This is bad.
Sticky. You say blue? Sticky? Sticky?
Sticky.
Sticky? Yeah, it's sticky. It didn't turn out as good as our pink slime. It's sticky.
Sticky.